My beautiful people, welcome to day 10, the final day of this total body fat burn challenge. I'm so proud of you. Let's kill it. We have an ultimate full body workout to finish strong. Let's go. First exercise, we are starting with some good mornings, all right? Open up, 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 up. All right, open that chest, nice little back bend. All right, and then you're coming down through your legs. If not your legs, then go ahead and reach for your shins or your knees, whatever you can. All right, open up. And then here, we're using our hamstrings to bring us back up, squeezing our butt. Very good. Nice little bend in the knees. And 3, 2, 1, and together. Very good. Hands up, arms up for overhead side bends. All right, palms facing forward, nice strong stance. You're reaching up, 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 and then over. And the other side. All right, not shrugging our shoulders, all right? Push those shoulders away from our ears. Very good, nice bend in the knees, nice strong core, all right? We're not opening up our rib cage, boom, lock it in, tucking in the butt, tucking in the tummy. Very good, nice strong arms too. Everything's engaged, full body's engaged. And 3, 2, 1, center and release, very good. All right, next we have some unicorn taps, back of our hands, all right, together above our head, and then boom, 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 tap, quick, 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 quick. You're really gonna feel it here on the back of your arms, your deltoids, your shoulders, all right? Chin up, go quick, all right? If quick is a little bit too much for you today, then just go ahead and do regular taps, all right, instead of pulses. If not, go ahead, challenge yourself. Go, 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 go. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Hands behind your ears, not your head, because we don't want to pull on our neck. Ears for some prisoner hip hinge. All right, so we're hipping up the hinge, pushing your butt back. Boom, a little bend in the knees, coming down with straight back, tight core, and then coming up, squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. All right, hip hinge, and then squeeze. Very good. You can even hold it here in the hip hinge a little bit. All right, test your strength. All right, really start to feel it here in the hamstrings, the core, the back. Go slow, very good. Or you can speed it up a little bit. Find what works for you. And 3, 2, 1, and squeeze. Set 1, done. Very good. Let's do it again. Set 2, starting with our good mornings. And begin. And 3, 2, 1, and keep those arms up, overhead side bends. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, center, flip those hands, back of the hands together, unicorn taps. And 3, 2, 1. Hands behind your ear. Prisoner hip hinge. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job. One more. Good mornings. And begin. And 3, 2, 1. And keep those arms up. Overhead side bends. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Center. Flip those hands. Back of the hands together. Unicorn taps. And 3, 2, 1. Hands behind your ear. Prisoner hip hinge. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Day 10 in the books, which means you completed the total body fat burn challenge. Give yourself a round of applause. Awesome job. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this day 10 of the full challenge, what challenges you would like to see more of, where you're tuning in from, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.